Well, we're here in Higuera Blanca and we're going to the Lavanderia, the Higuera Blanca Lavanderia. And Belen's here. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Bueno. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Oh, bien, bien. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien, gracias a Dios.
¿Y cómo se llama?
Belen Álvarez, y trabajamos en la lavandería de Higuera Blanca.
Sí.
Para cualquier servicio que necesiten, estamos a sus órdenes.
Oh, me gusta mucho, Belen.
Okay.
And ¿cuánto cuesta para to do mi
Muy
laundry?
buena pregunta. Let's go find out, okay?
Sí.
Hola.
So when it goes by the weight
It's gonna be 4 kilos.
and the 4 kilos,
And that's gonna pay for 100 pesos.
so 4 kilos is 100 pesos.
Yeah, cheaper.
And this is the price list right here on the wall.
There it is.
And there we go. 4 kilos, 100 pesos. And the Belen has cuántos años aquí?
10 months.
Oh, 10 meses.
Sí.
Oh, bueno. And Esta, you want to show me the
Sure.
machines?
Yeah,
Okay, so
sure.
what you do when you do the laundry.
Okay, just come here. I got my stuff right here. And we have one big machine for the comforters and everything. And this is for regular clothes.
So you have the regular clothes and then the extra heavy duty?
This is heavy duty, yeah.
Oh, heavy duty. Oh, mucho bueno, eh?
And we
Bueno.
have-
And are these the cleaning products aquí?
Yes.
Natural cleaning products?
Natural and my food.
Oh, bueno. Mucho bueno. Well, muchas gracias, Belen.
Yeah.
And Don, ¿qué hora is it ready?
We are closed Monday to Friday 9 to 6 p.m.
Okay.
Saturday 9 to 3, and your clothes has to be ready about 5:30 today.
My clothes will be ready at 5:30 today?
Sure.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Okay.
All right, see you then.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So she's gonna have these clothes all ready for me. It's about
Yeah.
5 horas. Oh, look at the plantas. Oh, mucho gusto. Oh, it's for Christmas, eh? See? Oh, bueno. See, you never know who you're gonna meet or what you're gonna run into on Budget Traveler. So stay tuned for the next video. These Mexicans, they are very hardworking people.